Gotta thank Coda for the hit. Hobby turn a hobby to legit. Now we body every bit. Still a bougie bitch talking that bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. So why you throwing shade on me? Cause I just do my...
Magay ka muna. Ano ba naman to?
Hello guys. Hello. Hello.
Dali, nasan tayo?
Naman ang aming view.
For every soul out there to rest the messy minds, there's a chance to heal the gaps and cracks with touch and nature's light. We ride with the sails and with the finest tales, but there'll be things we'll never see. We charge up no cares, our hope never fails, but nobody.
Hi guys, we're still looking for our dinner. Super lamig talaga guys. Hindi ko alam ganito pala sa Sagada. Ang lamig. Fit check. Hey, say hi.
Hello. Nasa Marble.
So, hi guys. We're going to Blue Soil. Yung isa dito ayoko pag-vlogin kasi
Ano mag-vlog dito?
it's kinda muddy. Look at the trail guys. It's muddy. AF.
I heard you took that nasty feeling to that friend.
Lamig na yung isa. Sisipunin na daw siya. Tingka, babe.
But it's an easy out to call when your envy says it's time will tell what we both needed. Did you think no one would ever notice? I was scared that you had nothing to give. Don't you wanna be somebody, something instead of nothing?
So, hi guys. We're here at Sagada.
Say you're almost honest.